everyone in this squad is determined to get the wins in these games. And yeah, we're expecting a lot of each other as teammates, and that's the best way to go about it. We're confident that we can go there and get a result, and I think that's the best way we have to go about it, because that'll hopefully get us playing our best football really, and that'll give us the best opportunity to pick up the win. It's been 60 years now where we haven't got really anywhere near it, so what an opportunity we've got now, and yeah, it'd be incredible if we could do it in the next 2 games. Yeah, it's massive. I think everybody in the country is fully aware of how big a game this is for us, and we're determined to go out there and do our bit. I think typical, first foremost, we have to go to Cyprus and start off that win there, hopefully, and we realise how big a game it is, and we've got to go out there and play a good game away from home. It'd be huge for us as players as well. I think we've been playing some nice football in games here and there, but we haven't been able to put any consistency together really, and now the opportunity that we've put in front of ourselves is right there, and it could be a massive step forward for football. I think we've got a full backing of the country behind us, and even people who didn't possibly have the interest in it before are now right behind us.